You're working out in the gym, and in between sets you see a girl who you find really attractive. You continue your workout and you notice that the girl is looking at you, smiling at you. Maybe she even moves closer to you in the gym to try to get your attention. Every signal is pointing to her wanting to talk to you. So naturally, you make your way over to her. But just as you approach her, your chest begins to tighten up. Your heart seems like it's dropped to your stomach, and it seems as if you can't get a full breath to save your life. Simply put, you're fully overcome with nervousness. If you've ever been in this situation or a similar one, trust me, you're not alone. But in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can overcome this nervousness so you can actually start talking to these girls and revive your dating life. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, the first thing that we have to address is the reason behind your nervousness. We have to first understand the problem in its entirety before we can try to fix it. To understand why you're nervous to talk or interact with women, you first have to understand that being nervous is a natural feeling. The feeling of being nervous is just your brain trying to protect you from possible danger. It's the same reason why typically before a fight and they feel an intense rush of adrenaline. This is referred to as the fight or flight response. Now you may be asking yourself, why am I experiencing a fight or flight type response by just talking to a girl? It ultimately boils down to the fear of rejection. Naturally, your brain is programmed to fear rejection. In the past, rejection costed a lot more. There was no social media and people had a lot less free time to actually try to date. In the 1700s, the average life expectancy for an American was 34.5 years. So a guy would have 34.5 years to actually talk to a girl and get her to like him enough for him to have kids. That isn't something that we have to struggle with today. Getting over the fear of rejection ultimately comes down to realizing it's not a personal failure. Don't take it so seriously. Getting rejected is just part of the process. It isn't game over just because one girl says no. There are literally billions of girls on the planet. Just because one told you no doesn't mean all of them will tell you no. You need to remember that every no brings you closer to a yes. Every interaction brings experience, and experience brings confidence, and we all know that women are attracted to confidence. To put all of that in simple terms, getting over the fear of rejection comes down to minimizing its impact. Your brain wants you to think that it's game over if you get rejected. Take control of your brain. Understand that it doesn't really matter. It's all a part of the game. Another reason why you might be nervous to talk to girls is because you're probably overthinking the outcome of the interaction. We typically, before talking to girls, think about the worst outcomes. Before we even said one word to the girl, we're thinking about, what if she doesn't like me? We're thinking about the other people that might be in the vicinity. We're thinking about, what if she goes up on us in front of everybody? What if I stumble over my words? What if my outfit doesn't look right? All of these things are hypothetical. There's no basis for any of these things that we think about before talking to these girls. You gotta get out your own head and start living in reality. Live in the present moment of what's going on. Don't focus on where the conversation is gonna go. Just focus on starting it. And a simple introduction or a compliment probably will be enough to get the ball rolling. The third reason why you're probably nervous to talk to women is probably the most impactful reason. This is the main reason why you probably struggle to talk to girls in general. If you're intuitive enough, you probably have already figured this out yourself. But for those of you who have not, I'll tell you. The biggest reason why you're nervous to talk to women is because you lack practice. If you're not used to talking to girls or people in general, it's going to feel awkward at first. I've mentioned in previous videos that confidence comes from competence, meaning that the only way that you can be confident about something is by knowing that you have the skill set to succeed. Where you're at right now, you have nothing to draw from. You have little to no past experience of talking to girls. So how could you expect not to be nervous? But the good news is you're literally starting from zero. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by talking to women. I know you don't want to hear this, but bro, you're going to have to just talk to women. That's the only way to overcome this. You have to start just shooting shots and not even caring if they go in. I guarantee every guy that you know that's good at talking to women has had a period in their life where they just were sliding. I'm talking about half court shots, fully contested, whole team on you, Kobe-esque type of shots. You can't care at all. All of these experiences will gradually start to give you more and more confidence. So when you actually see a girl that you like, you won't have any problem walking up and talking to her. I have a tip for those of you who have absolutely no experience with talking to women. Maybe you just got into high school, or maybe you're older but you just never really learned. Either way, the biggest tip I can give for a beginner is talk to any and everyone. You have to just talk to random people, cashiers, co-workers, teachers, anybody that you have the opportunity to talk to, you should talk to them. Work on understanding how conversation flows. Try to pick up on some nonverbal communication, and don't be afraid to prolong this conversation. Now you may be asking yourself, how do I even have a conversation with someone? How do I keep it going? Well, according to How to Win Friends and Influence People, people love talking about themselves. You'll be amazed at how little you have to guide someone to give you their whole life story. If you inquire just a little bit, you'll have someone talking for hours. Women especially love to talk about themselves. Before I even read How to Win Friends and Influence People, I found myself talking to girls and ended up in 2-hour lectures about their whole lives. And I ended up being very successful with these women. The only way this could backfire is if you get a girl talking and she realizes you don't care. But that scenario is a little bit more advanced. You're not going to be talking to these girls for hours when you first approach them. The last thing I'll do for this video is show y'all a clip by this YouTuber that goes by the name of Young E-Man. Now before I play this clip, I want you to understand the only difference between you and this guy is experience.
Excuse me. Stop, wait a minute. I can talk to you real quick? What's your name?
Kira. Why are you looking like that?
What you mean, how I'm looking?
Stink.
Stink? I'm looking stink. Why are you looking like that? You ready to go? What's your name?
Kira.
Kira. Where you from?
Dallas.
Dallas. Okay, this is my first time being in Texas, I ain't gonna lie.
Where you from?
Atlanta. You been out there before?
No.
What? No, that was a stink face for real. How old are you?
19.
What, you was a sophomore?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, I'm a junior.
Transfer here?
Yeah,
Where?
Clark.
Oh, you ain't like it there? You left Jersey a couple years ago.
I mean, it's cool, I just like it here. I just met you. That's a good thing too. You look real good, I ain't gonna count. That red bow, that's my favorite feature, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, you got dimples. I see a little one right there, bro. But I just want your number if I'm being completely honest.
Okay.
I can do that?
Yes, you is giving ATO. You little ass G.
Come on, bro.
You going to Hope Night?
What's home night? What is that? That's tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to go. Can you send me all the info? Yeah, I want to go. I'm going to be there with you, though. So don't be being stank or none of that. I'm coming with just with you, all right? Have a good day. That was the best clip of the day, nigga, on God, nigga. I'm him, nigga, on my...
This clip displays his ability to talk to women and, more importantly, his confidence. As soon as he sees her, he has no apprehension. He literally pulls up from wherever he's at on the court. And this is a common theme on his channel. It doesn't matter if the girl is with her friends or if she's on the phone. Nothing is able to stop him from getting a shot up. Like, bro is literally 2016 Kyrie. But I want y'all to understand where this comes from. He was not born with some natural gift to slide on women. His talent for talking to women comes from hours and hours of sliding. I mean, bro, just look at his channel. All he does is talk to women. Not to mention the women that he talks to without the cameras on. If you want to be able to walk up to women and talk to them effortlessly like he does, you need to start approaching women and talking to them. Not next week, not tomorrow. I'm talking about today. The sooner you start to slide, the sooner your nervousness goes away and your confidence starts to increase. Okay, now let's quickly recap what we talked about in this video. Your nervousness when it comes to talking to women comes down to 3 things: fear of rejection, overthinking the outcome, and lack of practice. To overcome these 3 things, you have to minimize the impact of rejection, focus on the present and not the outcome, and actually practice talking to girls. Okay, now you know everything that you need to know to not be nervous while talking to girls. Matter of fact, go approach a girl right now and let me know how it goes in the comments. Make sure to like the video if you learned something new. But alright, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.